Okay, a little fast, a little fast. Slow down, slow down. We got a lot of cars, side of the vehicle. All right, walking wounded, green. All right, do a quick assessment of your own body. If this is you, do a quick assessment. Okay, is my foot working the way it should? Does my knee feel comfortable? Like, how does... Oh, we got Chicago police on scene already. Good. First responder. You can kind of just chill. Let them get their stuff. They should have trauma kits, but who knows? Yeah, his knee.
I got that on record. Fuck.
Yeah, exactly. Extra torn. Oh, look at the tearing. Look at the tearing. All right, we don't know the severity of that. Flesh wound could easily it could just be a scrape. But you could easily have damage on the internal part. Like I mentioned in the previous video, you got your ACL, PCL, LCLs, you got your meniscus, you got your patella and patellar tendon. You got all these different things in there. I mean, you got your arteries going through your knee and around your knee, all that stuff. So you could bleed out if you obviously sever your leg. But the main thing is that right there, that impact could have been prevented with gear. Mitigated. I keep saying prevent. It should be mitigated, not prevented. All right, so how did we get there in the first place? So we're riding around. We have a lot of traffic. This should tell you that, hey, just because there's traffic on this and there's none here, I can go and... No, that's not the case. We can't just haul ass because there's no traffic for us, but a ton there. This should tell you that there's traffic no matter what. And how did all these people get in this lane? Well, they had to merge into that lane. They had to go into that lane. You know, they had to go this way. So this one is the one that will cross paths with you. So we're going a little too fast. There's that side of the vehicle. We don't see it until now because we're hauling butt. We see it because we're looking for it. Imagine riding. You're not going to see it until the last second. So this is why we do this. We do these after action reviews so that you can see this and I can pause it and freeze frame it so that you can start picking it out when you're riding. So we're going. There's that rev bomb. Let's go ahead and rev bomb. Let's get an auditory response. Let's use the horn. Let's rev bomb to tell people, no, you can't do that. Well, too bad. They're going to do it anyways, and they probably don't see you in time. So at the end of the day, we're supposed to be taking our own safety. We're supposed to be responsible for our own safety. That's what I'm trying to get at. We need to be responsible for our own safety. We cannot trust other people to be responsible for us. We cannot do that. We're not children. We're grown adults. Stop making it to where other people have to be responsible so that we can stay safe while doing dumb things a lot of the times. No, we're adults. Are you an adult? If you are an adult, click that subscribe button. Nice segue. So right here, not much we could have done other than swerve left a little bit harder, but then we got to swerve right as soon as we possibly can so that we can watch out for this vehicle. But why are we in this position? Why are we in this position? Like, why? Oh, it's because we're speeding. We weren't situationally aware. We weren't being a smart rider. We didn't have good gear. We weren't using our fundamental skills. We weren't paying attention to the road. You know, well, here's the thing. We are going to teach each other what happened here. We're teaching and mentoring other people. All right, so quick, get off the side of the road. Get out of the path of travel with other vehicles if you can. Good. Now he's in a safer area. Now he's realizing, oh, there's the pain. It's coming in. So your movements, I'm sorry, your speeding, your reckless riding, let me see if I can get to it. Your reckless riding caused an impact with this vehicle right here. You fell off the bike. You start tumbling this way, and now you're over here. But your bike's right here, and you just hit this lady's car. So now you have hopefully your insurance can pay for this. And if you don't, and if you can't, have fun in civil court. So this is another thing is I care more about the consequence of, you know, somebody getting hurt. That's all I care about. But there's other consequences. You have the legal consequences, civil consequences. You got monetary consequences. You have your job, which turns into a monetary consequence if you lose your job because you're injured. So to me, there's a huge risk to riding, and I want to make sure I minimize that risk as much as I can by getting gear, by being situationally aware, maintaining my fundamental skills, rescuing other riders so that maybe they will get back to what they need to do is with my help, teaching and mentoring other riders too, guys. Come on, let's not do this. I want to say thank you to RevZilla for being a sponsor of this channel. Grab yourself some motorcycle gear. This is their version of gear. You can find this at Cycle Gear also. But click the link in the description. No extra cost to you. It's an affiliate link. It helps support the channel. So if you're going to buy gear anyways on RevZilla and you want to get some gear, click that link and help out. Like I said, no cost to you. I'll see you guys around.